Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to Han Trader channel. Today I'm sharing a strategy, 1 minute strategy for those who is not using pocket option, and many my friends asking me to make a video on Cortex. They are using Cortex, so I am today making a video 1 minute strategy because Cortex IQ option many platform is not offering the seconds strategy, so that's why I am sharing a strategy for 1 minute strategy. Okay guys, so today uh, sorry, I am using the indicators is uh, Bulls power, Bollinger Bands, and zigzag and momentum. Okay, and Bollinger Band setting is which I am using is 25 and deviation is 2. Okay guys, and save. uh, Zigzag is default setting, and Bulls power I am using the period 20. Okay, and the momentum is default. Momentum and zigzag is by default, and Bulls power and Bollinger Band setting I am using, which is you can set them, and 1 minute trading period I am using for 15-second candlesticks. Okay guys, strategy is simple. Strategy is the zigzag, and the market is uh, uh, go to this area for the breaks or the not break also like this. Okay, but you have to verify is the Bulls power and momentum, then take the trade for lower, and here is for up. Okay guys, I am telling how. So I am choosing highest pairs. Okay, and now I am finding a good moment, and for examples I took the trade here for above because zigzag is showing here for its lowest area, reach the lowest of this market. So this, see, zigzag is here and it's making the lowest, and now its power is showing to the above, and the momentum is also, it's, see, it's close here and it's close here, and now it's making the above for the for up. So let's see the result. Okay, here is the money. I Here I took the trade. I put my entry here. Okay, because it's come down, then I take trade up. Because this is area you take the shadow and candle shadow, and you have to the uh, percentage of winning is high because this candle is going down. If you take the trade here, you lose here. Okay, that's why I took the trade. It's I'm trying to take the trade and catch the shadow. Okay, so let's find the another. I wait here a long time because the market is reaching its level, and uh, and Bollinger Bands makes like this, not like this. It makes like this, so it should be go more down. So you have to wait for the Bollinger Bands make like this round shape to some upward, and the momentum is also showing to the green, making the green bars. It's showing to the, it's mean it's go some up, and the Bollinger Bulls power also showing to the it's go some up. So let's see the result. See the result. So you have to wait, don't take the trade earlier because the zigzag makes first here, then next here, then third here, then fourth time is here. So wait for the shifting the markets for some up, then take the trade, and you have to catch the uh, candle of shadow, because if you take the trade here, you lose your money. So I won because the I took the trade here. Okay guys, so find the another moment. I took the trade here for lower because I want to catch the shadow. So let's see the result. See the result. uh, I took the trade here because it's reach its level, so it's go sometimes down. Okay, so that's why I took the trade, the it's make full green, then take the trade full over. If I take the trade here, then I was lose their money, and also here and also here. So that's why I take the trade when the green is full. Okay, so that's why I take the trade for lower. Okay, find the another moment. I take the trade here above because it's the uptrend, and zigzag it's make here, so it's go up, and Bulls power also showing, so go up. So let's see the result. So money here. Okay guys, now find the another moment. I took the trade here above because there is some support line here, so it's take the support and it's go up. So that's why I took the trade here above. Let's see. Oh, it's a very difficult to win, but unfortunately I won here. So here is the it's a very difficult stop for today. and then now market it's also it's not good condition, so it's good profit for today. So do you want to earn with Han? You have to join the pocket option in the link via the link below, which is available in the video description. So join Han. Thank you.